This is the whole coffee process from the bean to your cup.
Salud.
¿Qué hacemos con esa semilla? La fermentamos. Vamos directamente acá. Esto que ven aquí es arena de río. ¿Cuánto se demora? Se demora 45 días.
45 days to get to that stage. So you want to get your hands dirty?
Josie,
Sure.
Sí.
Pues, okay.
what are you guys gonna name your coffee beans or coffee plants?
Stitch.
It's mi papa, Jorge.
Skittle.
You liked it.
Now we're planting our little plants. What?
They have to water it down a lot the day before planting and the day of planting, just so it takes the right form. Cultivando café, ¿y tú?
Jorge is in. We're coming back in 2 years and it'll be good to go.
No le damos vuelta, sino que lo giramos. Giramos un poco y lo doblamos.
Pop it off.
Y solo los rojos, sí.
Only the red
Debemos
ones.
sacarlos todos así. El que más recolecte café se toma 2 tazas ahorita ya.
Uy,
no,
okay, we got a
he's
challenge.
good.
We got 5 minutes to take out as many beans as we can get.
Okay.
And whoever gets the most gets 2 cups of coffee instead of 1.
Yo te voy a ayudar, bueno.
He's gonna.
Ay, no. ¿Por qué? ¿Por qué?
A ver si la gringa me lleva.
He's like, I'm just doing it in case she'll take me home.
Tenemos la gringa que me va a llevar para allá. Buena trabajadora. Y si no me lleva ella, me lleva esta.
Pero si yo me quedo aquí.
Pero alguna de las dos me tiene que llevar.
Hey, we're getting them all, baby. I'm getting 2 cups of coffee. Dos.
This is 5 minutes. Everybody's got 5 minutes in there. She got a phone too.
This is so
I think Brianna won.
Now do the.
Oh shit. Fupa dancing out here.
Jumping for joy.
Who spilled the beans? I did.
Aquí tenemos la máquina expulpadora.
That's
la que se encarga
what brings down the coffee beans.
en sacar
And it pulps it.
almendra.
And you get the
Yo les voy a
bean
mostrar un
out of the
poquito.
shell.
Les voy a mostrar un poquito de qué manera funciona la máquina.
He turns on this machine. This belt spins them. The beans go through this machine. This thing takes off the shell and the beans come out the other side. They come out here. They fill it up with water just a bit higher than the level of the beans. And then they let it ferment for 24 hours roughly. And they stir it around with a stick. Then once after the 24 hours is fermented, they put it on here. This is like the big strainer. He shakes this thing around, and then all the bad stuff comes at the bottom, and then the really nice fine ones, they stay on top. First, they bring the beans that they washed here to dry for 4 days. And then they take those beans from here into like this greenhouse. Has 8 to 12 days to do the whole process. And then after, they take all these beans from here and they transport them and bring them to another place where they toast the coffee.
Que se ven así.
So that's what we don't want. We're getting rid of the bad stuff here. Yeah.
These are all the little naughty beans.
You think imagine what you could do with that trick.
I was just talking about that.
We're gonna separate the skin from the almonds from the beans on the inside.
All the little flaky go.
Oh, so it just blows all the flakes up. Now we get the inside of the bean. That's what we're gonna toast up here on this little hot plate.
Se va la gringa con las nalgas rojas.
Oh my god.
You think you're gonna leave with the
Red
red
ass.
ass?
Red
Get him! Deal with
Allá,
that.
si no más lenta así.
More slow.
Slow?
The beans have changed color now. We've been going for like
Train, bro.
10 minutes here.
Bree moves to Colombia and her beans go dark.
So after you toast it, you can
Este es
wait
que nos vamos a tomar.
3 days to pack it, but if you want the best
Lo
quality,
enfriamos con esto.
you wait 2 weeks, and then that's the best quality coffee you can get. Now we're grinding up the beans, the toasted beans. Now we got our coffee all grinded up here, buddy. Get in there, get a little snort.
Vamos por acá.
Basically, don't ask stupid questions.
So let's go full traditional.
Yeah, man.
First,
Quitarlo. ¿Para qué? Para que
First
el
we'll
choque
warm this up.
térmico no cambie el sabor del café. ¿Ok?
So the thermic shock doesn't change the flavor.
Oh, okay.
dos.
Echamos de afuera hacia adentro. Hasta que se moje todo el café. De
See if
afuera
you
hacia
got,
adentro.
see if you got it.
Afuera hacia adentro. Ahí lo puedes dejar.
I told me I'm shit.
Salud.
¿Qué vamos a hacer primero? Vamos a oler. Y el primer sorbo emprendamos la boca. O sea, mojamos la boca de esta manera.
So just watch your mouth at first.
Como vino.
Pero me gusta.
El otro.
Like fresh
Espérate, el
bean.
otro para ver.
Cheers to
He
fresh
said-
beans. Cleanse your palate.
So you
the
cleanse your
first sip.
palate?
Yeah, man.
We did a little swish around.
Yeah, you
Now we're
cleanse
going
that
for
sucker.
it. Did you already cleanse it or no?
Artesanal.
Now we're tasting it. What do you think, Mert?
Kills.